Oh, y'all went for Kitty. Look at him. Look at him. Yep, we're with for Kitty. Kitty. And yeah. Oh, Kitty. Kitty. Come here. Come here, Kitty. So he's just running. That's him. Whoa. But that's the little people. So guys, I mean, what have you been doing today? Like, we're outside playing with the cat. Oh, he whacked me. Well, hello there, Mr. Hello, Mr. Cat. Hello. Oh, that's it. Hello. Look. Yeah, yep.
That's the Mr. Kitty.
Yeah, that's a cat.
It's
a cool cat. So cool. Oh, that was just Maya putting something on. Yeah. Woohoo! That's so cool. So cool. Oh, dang it. Dang it. We lost him. Oh, he's right out here. There's the cat. Look at you. Yeah. Okay. That's the kitty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, that's okay. Doink. Oh. Oh, hi. Kitty. Kitty. Oh, dang it. He went under. It's fine. He went under. He went under. I think he got out. Where is he? Come on. Where is he? Where did you see him? Did you see him? Hold on, kids. Oh, I see him right there. I'm not sure if you saw him, but he is right there. Put a link in the comments if you love this cat.
Yeah.
He's cute. He's pretty cute. Oh, dang. We scared him out. It's okay. It's okay, Mr. Pooty Pants. Oh, dang. So, I'm walking to him. Look at him. He's trying to get escaped. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. I promise you. You'll be okay. Yeah. You'll be okay. Oh, dang it. The cat. Right there. Well, guys, I'm going to end right here. I'll see you next time. So, bye.